Welcome to today's video. My name is Agent Double Sonic, and in this video we're going to be drawing Mike from Mike, Lou, and Og in 60 seconds. Let's go ahead and get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this is a lot going on. This looks very odd. I think the other issue I'm running into is the fact that it's so small. And she looks really creepy. Yeah, and I have to like resize everything. I'm about to run out of time, aren't I? Yeah. Dang. Okay. Alright. In 60 seconds, we have Mike. Now, I will say, as I told Josh right here, it is getting very difficult to draw these very well, or draw them at all, because they're going to be so small. But I did this to myself. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and until next time, thanks for watching.